everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Follow reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and get to know about the full details of this site. So first, we are going to talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with bracelets. They offer bracelets with animal design and they also collect money to save wildlife animals. So guys, if you're interested in checking out this website, then you have to visit to their official site. Next, we'll check their payment method, but they haven't given it here. You have to go to the checkout zone to check the payment method. So we have checked and we have found out that this website accepts ShopPay, PayPal and also Google Pay. Next, if you want to know about the shipping policy, go to the FAQ section. Then click on why has my order not shipped? But they haven't given the exact shipping timing. They have only mentioned that orders are shipped out on weekdays only. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. So now if you want to know about their domain information, this website was registered on 12th of May 2021 and it is going to expire on 12th of May 2023, which means this website is quite new. So now if you want to know about their About Us details, go to the About Us page section. So they have given their details. So guys, when it comes to their details, they have given about their business establishment here. As you can see, they have provided the details about the business establishment here and also about their website. And they've also given their story. So you can check this out. So as you can see, they have given enough details. So this is a positive sign. So now if you want to know about their contact details, go to the contact page section. But we have checked, they haven't given their contact information in their contact page section. So if you want to know about their contact information, go to the terms and conditions. Scroll it down till the end and here they have given it. So they have given the email address. But the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. So now if you want to know about their social media presence, so this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence over Facebook and on Instagram. Also, we have checked the amount of followers. So on Facebook, they have over 80,000 followers and on Instagram, they have only 56 followers. So next, if you want to know about the return and refund policy, go to the refund and return policy page section. So here they have mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days of purchase. And about the refund, they have said that once the refund have been approved, they will send your money back to your original mode of payment within 30 days. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Follow reviews. There are reviews on Trustpilot with a 4.7 rating. And the reviews are all positive. So this is a positive sign. Now if you want to know about the TrustNext score, so the trust score of this website is only 33% and the business trust ranking is only 6.9%, which is quite low. But the content quality seems fine. So guys, in the conclusion of the Followers reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. Though this website is quite new, but it has got reviews and the reviews are all positive and it has got social media presence as well. So it is a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.